Hi, future entrepreneurs. This is Tarun Darshan. So, welcome to Business Down with Darshan. So, today we are going to see about the marketing strategy of Paytm, how it's entered into our country, so how it's popular, so become popular in everyone. So, let's get into topic. If you are an Instagram user, kindly follow me in Instagram at Tarun Darshan. So, kindly give a thumbs up to this video and do subscribe and touch the bell icon. Paytm. Paytm is an online payment gateway and digital wallet which is more popular in our Indian country. So how it's entered into our country. So what is the target of the market? So the Paytm target. So Paytm target was the internet as well as the internet phone users for the Paytm target. So how they achieve this target? In market and stores, the Paytm given a wall display posters to accept their payment in digitally from the phone directly scanning the code. It was the first thing what they did and which they made into huge success, which the brand made a very strong because of the posters. So not only gone into different digital advertisement, also they enter into offline advertisements such as newspapers, televisions, and lot of things. And recently they have a year back they have introduced PM Narendra Modi ji for the advertisement. Later they lot of controversies going. This is a paid one and lot of things. So let's discuss these things in our next video. So next, Paytm moved its strongest move by sponsoring India. So Paytm is the official sponsors for India, which made it to give a biggest publicity and a biggest exposure around the world. So suppose for such as Paytm ODI Trophy, Paytm Test Trophy, and lot of things are conducting. So cricket has a biggest fan following although comparing to other sports. So they step into cricket and they are sponsoring our home team as a India, which made us a huge fans. Suppose they are sponsoring technicals, rolling their stickers into stems, giving the sponsor to Paytm ODI trophies and lot of things they did. By Paytm to get into the market is अब ATM नहीं Paytm करो. If no ATM, just do Paytm. So this made as a household brand all over the world in India. So Paytm करो, the simple ad which is made into huge success into lot of consumers.
रोज रोज का इतना मैं बंद करता हूँ। मैं अरुण, कितनी बार बोला यहाँ मत खेलो। तोड़ दिया ना, सारा तोड़ा। 2000 का आता है। कौन है?
आसमां उसका ही है।
अंकल आज शीशा तोड़ा है ना, कल रिकॉर्ड भी तोड़ेगा।
दिल चाहे
भाई तो
जाओ
खेल।
से उड़ने दो।
थोड़ा एडवांस भी दे दिया मैंने।
अंकल
रुको। किसी की लाइफ का पेटीएम बनो।
पेटीएम करो।
After this and all, Paytm made a huge success and had a strong brand. So what they next is what they did. They giving a coupons. In our daily life, we used to have consume biscuits, chocolates. They consume mint. Then after that, oil and lot of things. They gave a cashbacks in all the products such as lot of biscuits and chocolates, which made them to buy a lot of consumers products as well as gaining the market by using the coupon codes, which made them to become a huge success of the part of India. So Paytm Mall, Paytm Money, and Paytm Payment Banks. All these came into big success today. Paytm leading biggest digital wallet in our country. So if you like this marketing strategy, just give a thumbs up button, give a subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries, kindly give it in your comment. Kindly do follow me in my Instagram handle at Tarun Darshan. So let us meet you in another videos from that. So bye bye from Darshan. So be safe. It's a COVID time. Take care inside home. So thank you so much. Love you all.